Hello friends, welcome to Physics Live channel. Today we are going to study analytic function. A function is said to be analytic when the function should be continuous. Function is single valued. Function is differentiable at every point in the domain. Okay, so consider the function a complex function which contains real part and imaginary part. The real part is represented by a function of xy, u of xy plus I into v of xy. The necessary condition for a analytic function, that is Cauchy-Riemann condition, that is dou u by dou x is equal to dou v by dou y, dou u by dou y is equal to minus dou v by dou x. What is the sufficient condition for an analytic function, that is dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, dou v by dou x, dou v by dou y should exist. That is f dash of z exists. So for an analytic function, this condition should be satisfied. Okay. Once again, we should remember this condition, that is Cauchy-Riemann condition. Dou u by dou x is equal to dou v by dou y. Dou u by dou y is equal to minus dou v by dou x. Consider this question in which we should find the function f of z is given in this question. Is it analytic or not? That is f of z is equal to z cube. Here we know that z is equal to x plus iy all cube, that is a plus b all cube, that is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3b square a plus b cube. Here x cube plus 3x square into iy plus 3 into minus iy all square into x plus iy all cube. From that we know minus iy all square means, that is I square is minus 1 and also minus square, that is plus, so minus y square is here. So 3 minus 3y square x, and here also I cube, that is I cube is I into I, that is minus 1 into I, that is I cube, that is minus 1 into I, that is minus I. So minus I y cube. Here 3x square iy. So we get the answer like this, and we just separate the real part and imaginary part. So we get that x cube minus 3y square x plus I into 3x square y minus y cube. So here we get the real part and imaginary part. Then we check the Cauchy-Riemann condition, that is dou u by dou x, x cube differentiation, that is 3x square minus 3y square x differentiation with respect to x is minus 3y square. So we get dou u by dou x is like that, and dou u by dou y, that is we know that here x cube only, so with respect to y derivative, that is 0, minus 3 into y square differentiation, that is into 2y into x, that is minus 6yx. For a imaginary part we differentiate with the x, that is 3 into x square differentiation is 2x, so 6xy, here y cube, so there is no differentiation with respect to x. Next we have to find dou v by dou y, that is with respect to y differentiation, that is 3x square minus 3y square is the answer. From that we know the condition dou u by dou x equal to dou v by dou y. Here we compare these two, these are same, and dou u by dou y is equal to minus of dou v by dou x. So we all know that there is a relation like that only. We get a relation just like a Cauchy-Riemann condition. So this function is an analytic function which satisfies the Cauchy-Riemann condition. Okay. Here in this question, function f of z is equal to sin z, that is sin of x plus iy. We know that sin of a plus b, that is equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, that is sin x cos iy plus cos x sin iy. Here we using these identities because we have to separate the imaginary and real part. We know that sin ix is equal to I sin hx, that is hyperbolic. Sin h of ix, that is I sin x. Cos ix is equal to cos hx. Cos h of ix is equal to cos x. So using these identities, we know that here cos iy is cos hy and cos x sin iy is I sin hy. So we can represent that sin x cos hy plus I into sin x sin hy. So here it is a real part and it is an imaginary part. So we get we separated that real part and the imaginary part. Then we check the Cauchy-Riemann condition. Okay. So here we get the real part, that is sin x cos hy. So dou u by dou x is cos x cos hy because sin x only which depend on x, and dou u by dou y is sin x cos hy, differentiation with respect to y is sin hy, and the imaginary part v is equal to cos x sin hy. Dou v by dou x is cos x, differentiation with respect to x is minus sin x sin hy, and dou v by dou y is cos x sin hy, differentiation with respect to y is cos hy. And we check the Cauchy-Riemann condition, that is dou u by dou x should be equal to dou v by dou y. Here it is satisfied. And also dou u by dou y sin x sin hy, that's equal to minus of dou v by dou x, that also here satisfied. So here the function is an analytic function which satisfies the Cauchy-Riemann condition. Next, it is very good tips which is related to analytic function. If whether the function which contains in z bar, that is complex conjugate of a function x minus iy, it is not an analytic function. If it contains root z, it is not an analytic function, and we can't express it is the form of z, it is not an analytic function. It is not an analytic function. So consider this example. Here 3 plus x minus iy all power 7. Here x minus iy, we know that it is a complex conjugate of x plus iy. So 3 plus z bar all power 7. So if a function which contains z bar, it is not an analytic function. So we can simply get the answer, it is not an analytic function. Here question is x plus iy minus 1 all power half. Here we know that z minus 1 all power half. A minus z minus 1 all power half. It is not an analytic function because here we know that z power half, that is root z, exists here. So it is not an analytic function. Consider this question, that is x square plus y square plus 2i xy minus 3 all cube. It is in the expand form of z square. Z is, we know that is x plus iy. So x plus iy whole square is x square plus y square plus 2ixy. So here it is replaced with the z square minus 3 whole cube. So we can represent the function in terms of z. So here this question can be expressed in form of z, that is z square minus 3 whole cube. So it is an analytic function because we know that in easy tips, unable to express in terms of z, it is not analytic. Here we can represent the function in terms of z means it is analytic. So these tips which will help you to find the answer easily. So keep learning. Thank you for watching.